I purchased this from O'Reilly's and it was only 54 cents with tax. It's a great deal. Instead, if you get the whole package of, I don't know, 7 or so in a packet, it costs $10. So go to O'Reilly's. They sell these individually. This is a 1/4 inch thread. The Zerk's grease fitting that goes on to here. This is not threaded, and you have to thread it in on your own because there's no threads in here. You have to line it up like so. Make sure it's up and down straight, and then put some weight on top of it, and then screw it in with a wrench. So I got it started by hand. I'm going to thread it in, put some weight on top of it, and carefully. So you want to put some pressure down so it threads in. Generally these Zerk's fitting is self-tapping. It's going in nicely. This is about as far as I want to go because you could see some thread over here, but above this piece right here there's no threads, so you don't want to keep on screwing this in because there's no threads up here. So, you know, one level of threads on the fitting, so I think I'll just stop right there. Grease gun. Fill it up with grease. I think that's enough. I'm starting to see this grease pop out from the bottom here. It was filled pretty much, but I topped it off. So that's all I want. Okay.